Hi, this is Miss Torres, and I am going to read you the nonfiction story called A Tour of the Seasons. The cold weather has come. A dry breeze shakes the bare branches. Snow is falling again, and the park is packed. Children ride down the hill on their sleds. A group of friends builds a snowman. There are only a few birds in the trees. Icicles hang from rooftops. Can you guess which of the seasons has arrived? The 4 seasons, winter, spring, summer, and autumn, are very different from one another. The weather gets warm or cool, rain or dry. Animals and plants change and grow. People change their activities, their habits, and even the foods they eat. The seasons are not exactly the same in every part of the country, but their names are always the same. Every season brings some kind of change. It has been a long winter. One morning you leave for school and notice that the air feels warmer. You see the green tips of leaves poking through the melting snow. Spring has arrived. In a few more weeks, animals start to return home. Squirrels chase each other across the yard. The trees grow brown and green buds. You spot a robin hopping along in search of worms. It can rain a lot during spring. The drops make plink, plink, plink sounds on the roof and windows. Then the sun comes out, and you can finally go outside without a heavy jacket. At the park, the snow has given way to the green fields and flowering trees. Spring sports have begun. Crack goes a baseball player's bat as it hits the baseball. Families spread out picnics across the new grass. Spring is also the time for planting. People plant their gardens. Farmers plant seeds to grow vegetables, grains, and other crops. New life is all around. For many people, summer means fun. School ends and families spend their days outside. The hotter it gets, the more people want to spend time near the water. Beaches and swimming pools fill up, and boats dock lakes and oceans. Tents pop up at camping grounds, and you can smell delicious food cooking on grills. Every now and then, clouds roll in, thunder rumbles and crashes, and lightning shoots across the sky. Rain sends people running for cover. And then suddenly, it ends just as it began. Summer is also the season of insects. Flies, bees, and mosquitoes buzz back and forth. Crickets chirp throughout the evening, and active butterflies float from flower to flower. In many parts of the country, plants are growing lush and thick. Corn grows past our heads, and tomatoes ripen on the vine. It is a time for fresh vegetables, juicy slices of watermelon, and cool lemonade. Finally, we come to a 4th season, autumn. Have you ever picked apples at an orchard? Do you like the smell of pumpkin pie cooking in the oven? Have you ever jumped into a soft pile of leaves? These are some special things about autumn. In autumn, the weather can't make up its mind. Some days it feels like summer. On other days, we must bundle up in a warm sweater or jacket. But the animals know exactly what to do. Most of the birds migrate to warmer places. The squirrels start searching for nuts to bury for the winter. The plants know what to do too. In many parts of the country, you can tell that it is autumn just by looking at the trees. Leaves turn from green to yellow, red, and orange. They fall off the trees and blow with the wind. In yards and parks, people rake the leaves together and leap into the piles. School starts again in autumn. We get ready for change. It's time to start the cycle of the seasons all over again. Now you are going to practice your reading comprehension skills by retelling the story, using the pictures to tell what you see. Feel free to pause the video to answer the questions and then press play when you are ready to move on to the next one. Card 1. What is happening in this photo? What is the weather like? Card 2. What is the boy doing? What is the rest of his family doing? How do you know that it is spring? Card 3. Why do you think people are at the beach? What is the weather like? Card 4. What is the boy doing? How is he having fun in the fall? Thanks for watching a tour of the seasons.